Hello, I'm Eric Malandrino, and I just finished the Engineering Design and Advanced Manufacturing program, and I'm going to continue in the Mechanical Engineering Technology program in the next coming semesters. CCM has helped me focus on my future by providing me the opportunity to start my mechanical engineering degree while I was still in high school and get a jump start on my career. One thing I accomplished at CCM that I'm proud of is manufacturing over 1,000 pieces of personal protective equipment, such as this ear saver band, on my homemade 3D printer that would be donated to nurses and doctors to help keep them safe on the front lines of the COVID-19 pandemic. I have spent many days, sun up to sundown, printing as many of these bands as I could to help keep people safe and stop the spread of the virus. Without CCM's help and resources, I would not have been able to help as much as I have. Thank you.